Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam.
Do you think that really, from a very practical standpoint, do you think that your movement has a chance to make it here in America?
So far I've seen it has great chance.
So your message is really no different from that of Moses or Christ or any of the other great religious leaders, that if people will follow the ethic of the Ten Commandments and follow it, that's where it is.
We ask people that we don't say that you give up your this religion and come to us. But at least you follow your own principles. And just like a student, after finish, sometimes in India it happens that although they have passed MA examination in Indian university, they come to foreign university to study more. So why does it come? To get more enlightenment. Similarly, any religious scripture you may follow. But if you get more enlightenment here, in this Krishna conscious movement, why should you not accept it? If you are serious about God. Mm-hmm. Why should you say, oh, I am Christian, I am Jew, I cannot attend your meeting? Why should you say, oh, I cannot allow you to speak in my church? If I am speaking about God, what objection you have got?
Well, I couldn't agree with you more.
Yes.
I'm sure you know, and I'm certainly aware that it's only recently that, for example, a Catholic couldn't even come in here. He is the son of the church. That's a shame.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna,